Hey guys, welcome back. I am Aishwarya from Digital to Design. In this session, we're going to learn about on-page SEO and its checklist. On-page SEO is crucial because it helps search engines determine if your website is relevant to the keywords you've uploaded. To achieve this, you need to optimize your website properly. To work effectively on on-page SEO, you must have basic knowledge of HTML tags. Without understanding HTML, it's challenging to perform on-page SEO. If you accidentally break any code while optimizing, your website might stop functioning. Learning HTML helps you place keywords without affecting the website's functionality. For SEO executive positions, knowing basic HTML is essential. HTML is fundamental to web development and supports Frame, Bootstrap, and Angular. These frameworks are all built on HTML. Understanding HTML makes working with websites easier. For example, if hired for an SEO role, you might need to work directly with code on 8 out of 10 websites. On-page SEO, also known as on-site SEO, helps improve rankings in search engines. This generates organic traffic to your website. The primary goal of on-page SEO is to attract potential customers to your website by ranking for relevant search queries. By optimizing your content, search engines can better understand it, leading to improved visibility. This is why on-page SEO is so important. Now let's go through the on-page SEO checklist. If you're doing on-page SEO, you should know these 17 key checkpoints such as internal links optimization, schema markup optimization, description tags, Twitter card, meta tags, video optimization, SEO-friendly URL structure optimization, voice search, canonical tags optimization, Haflang tags, open graph meta tags, robots tags optimization, language tag, image optimization, headings tags, title tags, keyword cannibalization, and finally, external or outbound links optimization. We'll explore these points in detail in upcoming videos. Remember, on-page SEO is usually done once and must be implemented correctly. After optimization, review the results over time and adjust as necessary. Once we've covered on-page SEO, we'll also explore technical SEO and off-page SEO. I hope you now understand what on-page SEO is. If you have any doubts, mention the comment section and I will answer them as soon as possible. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital to Design. I will see you all in the next session. Finally, love you guys. Take care. Bye guys.